Hello friends, so today we're going to discuss this AtCoder Beginner Contest 117 round question C named Streamline. So what this question states that we have, let's assume we have a number line and we have n pieces we can put anywhere on this number line, and there are m coordinates x1, x2, xm, and we want to visit all these coordinates using these n pieces. Okay, so but only move we can do with these n pieces is we can like choose one piece and then we can move it either left or right. Okay, and this counts to one move, and we have to minimize the number of moves required to achieve the objects, that is to visit all these pieces using you all these coordinates using these n pieces given these number of operations you can do. Like this is the operation you can do. So as you can see there, in this question you can take two, we have two uh, items you can place, and there are five coordinates which you have to visit. So yeah, this is the example. You can see like they have put the two pieces, one on 1 and the other on 10, and then they have moved the first piece to 2, and then they have moved the 10th piece to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 13, 13 to 14, and this counts to 5 moves, and they have visited all these 5 coordinates. Okay, so the simple approach to solve this question is, I'll tell you with an example. So what I have taken here is, I've taken all the coordinates we want to visit. I've written on all the coordinates we want to visit, and then just sort it out. So as we can, because in the number line all the coordinates will be sorted out, so it will be easiest to track all the distances between these coordinates. I'm just sorted out these coordinates, and then a trick here we use is we find the distance between these coordinates and store it in an array. So the consecutive distances. So how these distances will help us is, because we have to put n pieces on these anywhere on these coordinates, but because we want to move those n pieces, we'll choose the distances which are the least one. That's why we find out the distances between these coordinates, and we'll choose the least one. So we find the distances of the consecutive elements, store it in an array, sort it out, and then as initially we have 5 uh, coordinates we want to visit. We have 5 coordinates and we have 2 pieces, so 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So that means in the final sorted array, the distance array, we just have to take the 3 uh, distances, and yeah, that's the final answer. In this you can see 5 is the final answer, so we can see directly in the code right now. What I have done is, we first store n and m. N is the pieces we have, and m is the coordinates. We store the coordinates in this array. If the number of pieces greater than or equal to m, like we have a lot of pieces which are greater than or equal to m, the coordinates we want to visit, so we can directly output 0, because 0 moves are required. We can put each piece on each coordinate, and that's how it will be get it visited. Else we'll take an input of all those array, as we know, we sort it out, then we find a difference array. Difference is m minus 1, because as we can see, uh, the size of this array is 1 less than this array, so we'll store it m minus 1. Yeah, and then we find a distance, the distance array between the two consecutive places, then we sort it out, and then we just find the m minus 0 to m minus n first 3 in that example, first 3 distances, and we add it out, and we find the sum and return the sum of those distances, and yeah, that's the final moves we have to do to achieve to visit all the coordinates. So thank you for watching, and I'll